Want to create a Kahoot quiz but don't know how to do it? You are in the right place. If you find the video useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. Well, the first step would be to go to Google and search for Kahoot. Click here. Then click on Sign Up Free. And here you can create an account. In my case, I will create it with Google. Then it will ask for a plan. But what we will do to make it free is to download a little bit and click on Continue for free. Then, click on Create Kahoot. And here, we will be able to put the first question. Here, we will write the answers. And then, we will select the one that is correct. Here we can add an image if we want, but it is not mandatory. We can look for it in the image library, or we can also upload one that we have downloaded. In my case, I uploaded a random image. Here, we can adjust the time limit and other things. Then, to add another question or true or false, click on Add Question. And here we can add another question. In my case, this time I will add a true or false. Once finished, click on Save. We will give it a title and a description. Click on Done. Okay. Now we will look for this section called Your Kahoots. Click on the one you created. And then click on Host Live. Then click on Start. And a pin will be generated so that we can share it later. Well, once generated, we only have to share the pin or the QR. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.